talk about seawater desalination. Seawater present oceans and sea are salt water, so undrinkable because contain large amount of salt. So we must desalinate seawater because if we drink sea salt water, it will cause dehydration, and this is harmful. So must desalinate seawater. What's happened in this process? First, we pump out water to a large dam. This is a big filter that remove large materials from water such as fish, shell, and this is our material not desalinated, so must be filtered. After that, this salt water, we can boil this water, are exposed to the sun ray, and sun rays make water evaporate, leaving a salt. So what is happened to this? We can make this is process when exposed to cold surface. This cold surface make condensation process, and water is pure, leaving a salt here and come here, the drinkable water. So this is method. What is happened to the salt remain in this process? It will pump out to the sea and river. Again, we can, at the last, the salt water pump back to the ocean again. So we'll ask questions. The desalination takes place in two main processes, filtration and evaporation. So I will ask question. Question: what are methods of desalinations? What are methods of desalination? Raise your hand. Yes? Excellent. Clap him. Clap him. Which substance can remove from water before desalination? Which substance we can remove?
Fish, seaweed, shell.
Excellent. Clap him. Clap him. Which substance remain after desalination? Yes. Salts. Excellent. Clap here. Another question: what happened to the remain come after desalination? Yes.
Back to the ocean after desalination.
Excellent. Clap here. Thank you.